Hi beautiful family, on today's video I will show you the most easiest, powerful, potent, effective way to use cloves and ginger hair growth tonic for massive hair growth. This hair growth tonic is super effective in growing your hair in 7 days. Regrow your bald spots, your edges, thicken up your hair, stop hair fall, hair loss, and give you that boost hair growth you desire. So stay tuned, let me show you step by step on how to prepare this recipe and how to apply it to get that best results. My first ingredient is cloves. Cloves enhance blood circulation. Cloves has properties that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activate and encourage hair growth. Cloves contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall hair health. My second ingredient is ginger. Ginger helps improve the circulation of the scalp, stimulating each hair follicles, promotes longer and strong hair, control dandruff, strengthen hair, prevent hair fall, stimulate hair growth, condition your hair, prevent premature growing, prevent hair loss, and also contribute to restore moisture loss to your hair. I have already washed my ginger, so what I'm doing now, I'm removing the parts they are not needed, the parts I feel like they are not good. After removing them, I'll move to the next step. Do you see that putting these two ingredients together, cloves and ginger, they create a potent natural spray that works like magic, especially for 4C hair. So I will show you the perfect way to use these two ingredients and the easiest way to use them to boost crazy hair growth. If your hair is stagnant, you are looking for natural remedy that will give you faster growth. Regrow your hair in bald spots, your edges, thicken up your thinning hair, stop hair fall, hair loss, and also give you natural healthy hair growth. This natural recipe I'm sharing today is for you. It will help you to solve those problems in a very short period of time. So what I'm doing now, I'm dicing my ginger into a small cube. Please, if you don't like using the skin of the ginger together, you can as well peel off the skin, but me, I love using the skin of the ginger together with my ginger because the skin of the ginger also have its own potency. Okay, so after dicing it into a small cube, this is what I have. I'm just trying to separate the ginger and the cloves because the cloves, I have not measured the cloves, okay, so that you see the quantity of cloves I'm using.
All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really want to hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by...
After separating them, this is what I have. I bring my blender cup and my spoon to measure the cloves. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of cloves, the same measurement with the sliced ginger. So next thing now, I add water on it. I will cover it up and go off camera to blend it. After blending it, this is what I have so far. While blending it, I still add a little water on it because it refused to blend properly, so I add a little water, very little water again, so that I can get all the nutrients and all the juice of this ginger and cloves very well. So next thing, I bring this bowl and my sheaf cloth to collect the juice. What we need is the juice, so I will squeeze it properly, make sure that I get all the juice out. After squeezing it, this is what I have. This is the most powerful, potent, effective ginger and cloves hair growth tonic. This hair growth tonic is a mind-blowing. This hair growth tonic will grow your hair 10 times faster. Yes, guarantee 100 guarantee results with this hair growth tonic. If you use it the way I'm about to direct you now, you will see how your hair will grow like crazy. Guys, like crazy. Your hair will grow without stopping. Your hair will grow like a weed. With this hair growth tonic, you see how this hair growth tonic will solve all your hair problems I mentioned earlier. So I bring my spray bottle to transfer it into my spray bottle. I'm using a small funnel so that I will not mess up everywhere, and also I will not waste this product. Okay, so what I'm just doing, I'm trying to shake it because that is normal thing. Ginger always like to settle, those white things always like to settle down in a bowl or in a wherever you store it. They always like to settle down. So while using this recipe, also make sure that also you'll be shaking it, okay, so that that white things on ginger can also mix up, because that white thing is very, very good in our hair. Okay, after putting it in the spray bottle, this is what I have so far. So now I will show you how to use this recipe to get that best result I told you guys earlier. I have shown you how to prepare them. Now is how to use them. There is something about recipes. You can prepare recipe proper way, but if you do not use them right way, you will not get that good result is supposed to get. So keep on watching. Make sure you watch the video to the end so that you get all the good results that this hair growth tonic supposed to give to you. Okay, do you see that white thing that settled down? That is the ginger white thing that always comes from ginger. That's why I say before you use it, make sure that you shake it, or before you transfer it to your spray bottle or your applicator bottle, make sure that you shake it. Okay, don't transfer it without mixing them together with that white thing. Okay, it's very, very important that you mix them together. To see the best result while using this hair growth tonic, please use it on a fresh wash hair. Do not use it on a dirty hair. If you want this hair growth tonic to solve those problems I mentioned earlier even more, please use it on a fresh wash hair. In that way, this product will do great work on your hair. Focus on that your problem area. If your problem area is bar spots, focus on that, or crown section. You want to regrow your crown section, you want to thicken up your hair, you want to regrow your edges, or any problem area at all, your nipple, or you want this treatment to treat your scalp, to stop that hair itching, to stop hair fall, hair loss. Focus on that problem area. This hair growth tonic will stop your hair itching one application. Yes, this hair growth tonic is that very effective to stop your hair itching in one application. And also, if you want to treat your dandruff, also focus on your scalp. You will see how your dandruff will go in a very short period of time. It's very effective clearing your dandruff in 2 application or 3 application. You will never see dandruff again on your hair. So for the hair regrow, your edges regrow, your bar spots regrow, your crown section regrow, your hair growth, to see faster hair growth with this recipe, and also to stop hair fall, hair loss, be consistent with it. In a very short period of time of 1 month, 2 months, you will see a very visible result. with this hair growth tonic. This hair growth tonic is super effective. Do not joke with this hair growth tonic. Don't joke with this hair growth tonic. If you are not ready of bush hair, if you are not ready of thick hair, do not prepare this hair growth tonic, because this hair growth tonic will give you result that you do not expect. As you can see, their recipe and their ingredient, they are very simple but very powerful. So after applying it on your hair, do not wash it out. Yes, allow this hair growth tonic to sit on your hair. I'm using it as a leave-in hair growth tonic or conditioner. I'm not washing it out. For me to see the effective of this hair growth tonic is to leave it on my hair, not washing it out. So I would advise you to do the same. Don't wash it out. You don't need to worry anything about the smell of ginger or cloves. We all know that cloves smell so amazing. So cloves empower the smell of the ginger, okay? So don't worry anything about that. And once this dry out on your hair, you will not perceive anything at all. It can go as far as using a good scent of leave-in condition, okay? Or it can drop in essential oil so that you not perceive any smell of the ginger on your hair, if you don't want that, okay? So I would advise you to allow this to sit on your hair. Don't wash it out or rinse it out. For that best result, please make sure that you pay close attention, okay? After that, use your good leave-in condition. Make sure that you see in this hair growth tonic with a good leave-in condition. Follow up with your oil for that best result. Use this 3 to 4 times in a week. For 2 months or 1 month, you see how your hair will grow like crazy. There's no joke. So after doing that, give yourself a gentle scalp massage. It's very important that you massage your scalp. Don't skip scalp massaging, okay? Give yourself a gentle scalp massage like 5 minutes to 7 minutes, or it can go more higher, depend on you. Next thing, to make this product work more effectively, I will cover up my hair, allow it to sit there for 20 to 15 minutes. I'll remove the shower cap, allow my hair to air dry. This is the best way to use this hair growth tonic with ginger and cloves for that massive hair growth. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, please subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to join this beautiful family. And also YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this. If you have not liked, help me to click on that like button. It will encourage me a lot to bring out more good content for you guys that will help you to solve your hair problems, okay? And also it help the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friend. Don't be stingy, okay? Share this video to your family and friend. There's a lot of people out there that this video will be very helpful too, okay? So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.